What is up, YouTube? As you can see in the background, that is actually my very first car. It's been actually sitting for the past almost 4 years, ever since I moved to Washington. And you know what that means. Seeing this car in the background, most of you already guessed. Yes, I am back in California for a bit. I actually came to visit some of my family members. My cousin's actually getting married pretty soon, so I had to come. You know, he was the one that introduced me to Naruto, all that good stuff. So, you know, I have to come and, see them. And plus, my dad, being a pastor, he is the one that is getting them married. So, for me, being his son, it's actually something I am proud of him. He is taking a very big responsibility being a pastor. So if you guys go to church or something, tell your pastors thank you for the hard work that you guys done or are doing, because they're human beings and they need help sometimes. But yeah, today I'm gonna be all over the place. My main focus on today is actually on this baby. This is actually my dad's dream truck, actually. I'll show you guys right now. It's a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500. As you guys can see, nothing's really wrong with it. It's actually nice and I love it. The only thing that it's wrong with it that he's telling me right now is actually the belt buckle, or whatever you want to call it. Here's the belt, and you guys will see why I'm gonna be working on this truck for now. Yeah, this is gonna be one of my main focuses, trying to replace the belt buckle, or whatever you want to call it. So should be an easy task. I mean, it's only that's a 16 mil, and then obviously the two in the back. I'll show you guys. Sorry for the close-up, guys. One right there and one right there, which doesn't really look like 16s. Probably 17s or 18s. Let me check real quick. I don't want to give you guys, if you guys are having the same problem with this type of truck, I don't want to, that was an avocado. I don't want to misinform you guys, so let's go with, okay, that's a 16, this is 18, 16. And I just misinformed you guys. Actually, the two fronts are 15s, and I want to say the back ones might be, the looks of it might be 17s, which I don't think my dad has any. There's the avocado that fell. Here's my dad's little collection. 14, don't need it. 17. Alright, so I'll try these real quick. Here's this other Dodge. As you can see, he's a Dodge guy. That's why I'm a big fan. Oh, okay, that might be it. Let's see. Okay, so it wasn't a 17, it's an 18. Right there. So the backs are, or the fronts are 15s and the backs are 18s. if you guys are gonna work on airbag, any type of airbag system, or something to do with the airbag system, please, for your own safety, battery has to be disconnected. And rule of thumb is to let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, if I remember correctly. If you guys know the rule of thumb on airbag system, how long you have to wait, leave a comment down below. Correct me if I'm wrong, but if I remember right, it is at least 5 to 10 minutes for the airbag system. But yeah, that is going to be one of my main focuses, is doing that belt for my dad. So while I'm waiting for it to, you know, sit for my, like, I don't know why, for my dad, I guess it's different for each truck, I don't know what, but they told my dad it has to be, like, if he's gonna do it, he has to wait at least 40 minutes, 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, so like I said, I'm not very sure. It's been a while since I worked on cars, but if I remember right, rule of thumb was always wait 5 to 10 minutes, so that basically all the computers could be turned off. You know, nowadays it's mostly computers than anything. But yeah, rule of thumb, 5 to 10 minutes, and if you want, you could go more, but that is the rule of thumb. If I remember correctly, it's 5 to 10 minutes. So while I'm waiting for that, I actually stole my dad's other car's battery, so I could see if it's actually the battery of my car. Sorry for the quality of these videos, and I'm actually recording on my cell phone, my iPhone. So later on, hopefully I get a camera and better quality for you guys. And yeah, here's our avocado tree, literally parked down, or they parked my car. This might be good actually. But yeah, sorry for all the talk. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, so forgive me, guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and if it's helpful in any way, for, you know, if you guys are Dodge people and have the same issue, I mean, I guess I guess it'll help you guys out. So yeah, enough of me talking, and let's get the show on the road. Well, the Honda's car our battery is completely dead, so I have to go to AutoZone, which is like a couple of blocks away from here. And then while I'm over there, that one as well, gonna go see if they could charge it or if it's any good. But yeah, I tried for right now, but it's already been like 30 minutes or so. So now gonna hop on this truck, and hopefully we don't run into any issues, because my dad really doesn't have any tools. He didn't leave me any tools actually, and I could see that to take off the seat buckle, you need like a special type of tool, and it doesn't look like my dad might have it. So hopefully at least I could remove the seat and then see what type of tool I'm gonna have to use, and then while I'm at O'Reilly's or AutoZone, see if they could let me borrow that tool. So yeah, round one on the truck. Alright guys, so basically, sorry for not, getting the full video on that, but I did finish it. I'll show you guys. There's the new one. Here it goes. Ta-da! It clicks, so that's good. And my other project was to see if my very first car would run, and as you guys could hear, it runs. So yeah, I'm happy my car still works. I mean, better. It does need its cleanup. As you guys can see, all that spider webs. I do need a new exhaust. Anywho, so that guy's done, and like I said, I wanted to see if my first car actually turns on. And if you guys could hear in the background or see the lights, it's on. Super happy. I did have to do a little, or I don't know if you guys ever did this, but jumper cables and connect this, since it's not the right size for this type of car. It's small, as you guys saw. So I took that battery from my mom's car, but hey, it runs and I'm happy with it. I just need to buy a battery, get the light on the tags, renew the tags and all that, and she is good. I mean, as you guys can see, oh, I don't even have gas. Oh man, I think I have barely enough gas, which is not that good, but hey, hasn't been on since 3 years, almost going to 4, and oh, I do have a bit of gas. Nice. But I'm actually stoked on this. But yeah, I am very happy. I did 2 things today. Fixed my dad's issue with the seatbelt, which was a must do, and to see if this car actually runs. And if you guys could hear, it runs. It ran, I should say. All right, thank you guys again for watching this video, and hopefully the next video is gonna be about fixing this car, getting it to run again. Yeah guys, I mean, that's all I have for you guys today, and hopefully you guys stick around and actually get to see this car how I used to be, and hopefully sooner or later I get to paint this car. But yeah, I mean, thanks once again guys, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. Doesn't matter what it is. I'll get to you guys, or if you guys would like, I will leave somewhere around here my Instagram, and if you guys want, you guys could DM me right there. If you guys have any questions on either this build on my my sister just came, on my 93 Honda hatch, or my 91 240, just again guys, like, feel free to comment down below or DM me on my Instagram, and I will get to you guys. But yeah guys, thank you guys once again, and hopefully you guys have a nice day just like I did. I mean, 2 cars done, that's all I wanted.
Laters.